My name is PRIYA Purri and I have completed my graduation in Electronics and Communication Engineering in 2023. I'm glad that I got placed because of Jspiders and Qspiders both, because starting I got admitted in Jspiders, later I shifted to Qspiders. So now I'm placed just because of my mentors who really helped me with this. So I got 3.5 LPA package and my designation is triple tester. So over here we find so many rounds. So the first one was the GD and the communication round. Secondly, we got with the IQ and some testing round. Thirdly, we got the public speaking round and the technical round by CEO. Over there, they asked questions from Java, SQL, and manual testing. They also checked the communication very thoroughly. So based on that, I got fixed.